Join me, let's make plantain pizza. Guys, make sure you prepare this for your family this Christmas season, please. So, for this recipe, we'll be needing carrots, we'll be needing eggs, we'll be needing pepper, any pepper of your choice, onions, bell pepper, and plantain. Okay, and plantain. You can add as many ingredients as you want. This is what I have in the house and I'm gonna make use of it. So you wash, peel, and slice your plantain. Dice it into cubes form, just like I did this one. So pour it in your shifter. You add your salt. Add your salt. You add your grinded pepper. That's how I do mine. You can do yours the way you like. Okay, it is optional. Then you shake it and make sure that everything is well mixed. So you light up your burner just like I have just done mine. You place your pan, add your oil, okay? Then you add your onions. You can add onions. It's optional, okay? This is how I fry my plantain. Then add your salt to taste. Then you pour in your plantain. Make sure it is well fried. It must not be burnt, but well fried. Okay. Then you break your eggs. We'll be needing 5 eggs. Okay. You break it. Here are all the ingredients. They are all ready. All our ingredients are ready. So you place your parchment paper in the pan. Guys, we are going to be baking this, okay? That's why I'm adding the parchment paper. So I thought this place would be enough to take everything, but it is not. So I had to change to a bowl. Okay, so you add all the ingredients, you add everything. You add your plantain, your onions, crayfish, bell pepper, salt, seasoning, pepper itself, whatever you want to add, you can add them at this point. Then add your salt, okay, to taste. Very important. You can add more pepper, okay. Then you mix your eggs very well. Mix your eggs very well and pour it in. You still mix. Make sure everything is well mixed, okay? Just as I am doing it here, make sure everything is well mixed. Guys, this is very easy to make. Very, very easy to make. If you're working on your weight, I bet you'll be needing this recipe. Do you know that this it kept me full all through the day? This was all I had. I didn't eat nothing more. Then I just kept drinking water, okay, when I'm thirsty. So you pour it in your pan. Make sure you oil your pan, okay? Then you pour it in your pan, then you send it straight to the oven. If you don't have oven, you can steam it, okay? See now, our plantain pizza is ready. Guys, this came out so well. Add your toppings. You can use cheese if you have cheese. You can add whatever you want. Just do it the way you want, okay? This is what I have in the house. That is what I am using. Guys, I kid you not. This thing kept me full all through the day. I didn't eat nothing more. I ate it in the morning and it's, you know, that was what I had all through that very day. So you dice it or you cut it whichever way you want, and our plantain pizza is ready. Okay, like I said before, make sure you prepare this for your family, even for your guests. I mean, this is a special season, so you're expected to prepare different recipes and dishes for your family. Make sure this one is one of them. And for my dear brothers and sisters that are working on their weight, see, just try this. You will come back and thank me later. I am telling you, I'm not even kidding. Guys, check this out now. Check it out. I enjoyed every bit of it. I enjoyed every bit of it. I hope you'll be trying this. Okay. If you'll be trying this, say yes, I'll be trying this in the comment section. Let me know. And guys, do not forget to like, comment, and share. This will encourage me to make more beautiful videos like this. Okay. I wish you all a beautiful Christmas season. Okay. Enjoy as much as you can, and I pray for a greater 2025. It was yummy, yum. Look at me. I'm telling you, it tasted nice.
It's nice.
It tasted so nice. Okay, guys, I love you all. See you in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye.